So this is going to be a reading for the sign of Scorpio for the next, let's take 15 days. So all I need to know. The first card we have right now is Nine of Earth. Some of you could be trying your level best to stay emotionally independent from this person. You guys are not exactly sure if you should, possibly get, in a very like a committed situation, or whether you should just stay single. You are trying to stay focused on yourself. Nine of Earth is somewhat energy where someone wants to stay completely independent emotionally, financially, and otherwise. Someone who's just wanting to stay focused on her or his success, growth, future. Okay, so in terms of that, let's start. So what can my dear Scorpios possibly expect for the next 15 days? Bottom card is Page of Water and High Priestess. Some of you guys have met someone who is not exactly very open or social. This person keeps a lot of things hidden. Okay, this person could be, for some of you, a possible water sign, sign as in Libra, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Could also be a Libra. We have the Justice card. We also have Earth, so could be a Virgo as well. Okay. So what's really coming up for Scorpio for the next 2 weeks? So what's really coming up for Scorpio for the next 2 weeks? I hope you guys are doing well. So I hope the month of August goes well for you. Right now, your energy seems Nine of Pentacles, so you guys are totally trying to stay focused on yourself. Okay, I don't see you being in any shabby energy or crying or dying after someone. No, I don't see that. With King of Earth, you're totally focused on your finances, you're totally focused on your growth, you're totally focused on your success, getting that stable life, stable, happy life which you could look up to. Right now, with the bottom card, Temperance card, you're wanting to find balance in your life, you're wanting to find peace in your life, you're wanting to, basically get that stability so that you don't have to freak out, when things don't work for you. Your total focus is going to be stability, finance, and success. Okay, so that's it. And with Ace of Air, you have finally thought practically about it. You have gone through this breakthrough moment. Like you don't want to consider relationships and stuff right now. You are just wanting to solely, possibly think of your finances and your growth. You're thinking logically, you're thinking practically, and I believe right now you're totally have decided to think about your future and not about your love life. As in, like, you want to think about your finances, your career, possibly what's next for you. Okay, so what else do we see coming up for the sign of Scorpio? What else do we see coming for the sign of Scorpio? What else do we see coming up for the sign of Scorpio? With Queen of Water, I do feel honestly that you have a person. It's not like you are single, but the problem remains is that your person is behaving very distant from you. Is trying to stay away from you. Is hiding their feelings from you. Okay, with Seven of Swords, this person has shady tendencies. Like they do hide their feelings, or they do run away from their feelings. With Queen of Water, you definitely have someone who you have feelings for. For some of you, you might have more than one person, as in there is a third party present in the picture, because we have the King of Earth and we have the Queen of Water. So I do feel some of you have an option either between like, let's say, air and earth, or earth and water. Okay, but you do have options. Some of you, not all can't have options, come on, but I do feel some of you do have. Okay, with Queen of Water, there is someone you do have feelings for, but the problem is this person has not been very willing and very open in terms of this connection. Okay, they are not willingly wanting to take action. This person holds back with the High Priestess. Okay, so let's see what's coming up for you overall. What's coming up for the sign of Scorpio? What's coming up for the sign of Scorpio moving forward? If some of you were in an emotional turmoil, like you guys were possibly going through a lot emotionally, then I do see balance coming in your life. Okay, you finally getting that stability, emotional stability in life. With the World card, you guys are definitely going to go through a closure. Okay, if you guys want to end something, you guys will end it. You won't think twice. Okay, some of you might also want to travel somewhere with the world card. Okay, some of you, this relationship that you are part of could be a long distance. Okay, for some of you, you do have plans of moving abroad or moving to another country. Okay, that could finally come, like you could finally get a call, or you could finally, get that visa that you were needing. Okay, something could definitely happen that makes you change your plans. Okay, with the world card there is certain closure that's coming in. Then we have queen of air, that is queen of swords. So something tells me that you are thinking practically. If you have an option between your love life and your like your career, your practical life, I believe you're going to choose your career. You're not choosing your love life. Okay, so if you're a Scorpio, you will understand this. If you're a cross watcher, you might not like this, but that is what I see for now. Okay, so let's start your tarot now. This was your energy so far. I believe you're going to stay focused on yourself. You are not going to let your emotions affect you in any which way. You are in control of your emotions. You're not going to be that crazy person who runs after someone. I don't see that happening. Be very honest. Okay. With page of fire, you guys could be waiting on communication from your person. Bottom card, yes, you are definitely waiting for communication from your person, but that does not mean you're going to beg them or possibly stalk them. No, you are acting a lot mature than you have ever behaved in your life. Okay, let's start for a sign of Scorpio. What can they expect for the next 15 days? What can Scorpios expect for the next 15 days? Bottom card we have is messenger of earth, that is knight of swords. So you guys could be upset with your partner right now, with the messenger of earth. This person might be holding back from you, and you are finally done with that shit. You're like, fuck that, I can't take that shit no more. Okay, with patience, you did have that patience to wait for this person, but you're slowly running out of patience. You're not really wanting to entertain or possibly wait for someone who's not very much wanting to grow up. Okay, this could go vice versa. This could be the Scorpio doing it, so take it accordingly. Don't get all mad about it. Okay, so let's start. So what's the overall energy going to be like between Scorpio and their soulmate? What's the overall energy going to be like between Scorpio and their soulmate moving forward? What's the overall energy going to be like between Scorpio and their soulmate moving forward? One card for that, please, Spirit. One card for that. I believe in the month of July you are all confused as to what you need to do, but in the month of August I see you have finally decided or will decide to choose something. You are not going to possibly juggle anymore. You're going to choose something that works best for you. Okay, mostly your career over your love life. Okay, that's something I see for now. Your person seems confused. I'm not really getting a card as of now. So let's see what's the overall energy going to be like between Scorpio and their soulmate for the next 15 days. Yeah, your person seems very confused, darling. With messenger of earth, that is knight of pentacles, very, very slow moving card. So you guys are not taking action. It's not like you guys are quitting on each other. This is not a quitter's card. It is someone who is there but is not very much showing any presence. Okay, this person is basically at some distance from you. This might be a long distance for some of you. This person is very much holding back. Messenger of earth, knight of pentacles, not a good fast moving card. Okay, so I don't see this person very much, taking any sort of fast action. Neither I see fast communication. This person is basically watching you from a distance, taking their own fucking sweet time coming to you. Okay. Top card we have is Ace of Water, but that does not mean this person does not have feelings. Okay, you both have a lot of feelings for each other. Ace of Water is like the best card you could get. Ace of Cups, you do have feelings for each other, a lot of it. Okay, one card for what's their energy going to be towards you in the next 15 days. What's Scorpio soulmate's energy going to be towards Scorpio in the next 15 days? What's Scorpio soulmate's energy going to be like towards Scorpio for the next 15 days? Four of water. This person, I do not know why this person is resisting you. I do not see a lot of action from their side. So if you think that your person is basically given up on you, no, they haven't given up, but they are also resisting you. With four of water, they will resist you. I do not see a lot of action, to be honest. My readings are very straightforward, just like the way you like it. But with four of water, this person is in this phase where they are not exactly happy with their life. It's not you, it's them, I believe. They are in somewhat in a depressed condition, not exactly depressed, but they are not happy either. Okay, but top card we have is King of Water. So they are wanting to get that emotional stability. Right now I do not see them having that emotional stability. If this person comes towards you, they'll possibly drain you, to be honest. Okay, they are not very much in a happy position right now. Okay, so one card for how are they possibly coming forward, or how are they going to come forward towards Scorpio. How are they possibly going to come forward towards Scorpio? Right now they are resisting you. They could be making you feel like you are like less worthy. Okay, you are feeling like this person is not taking you seriously with four of water. So how are they possibly going to come forward towards Scorpio now? How are they possibly going to come forward towards Scorpio? How are they possibly going to come forward towards Scorpio? With six of water, I do feel this person will return. With six of water is usually like someone returning, a soulmate return. With tower card, they are going through a tower moment. Okay, and before that shit happens, they are not going to return. There should be some changes coming in their life. Till the time things are very much the same, they won't return. As soon as things change in their life, they are going to return. It's not you, it's something happening in their life. Okay, this person could also feel on some which level that you are not taking them seriously, so they are not sure if you want them. They could also be feeling a bit rejected by you. Okay, top card we have is Three of Earth. So they want to partner up, they want to still be part of your life. I still see willingness from their side. It's just that they are thinking too much. This is a overthinker that you are dealing with. Okay, with Six of Water, even though sometimes Six of Water is a very happy card, you could see this person in this card, they are not exactly happy. Okay, they do not know if they should be very much open to this or they should not. Okay, so why is this all happening? What's the main blockage? What's really stopping Scorpio soulmate from coming towards Scorpio? What's really stopping Scorpion soulmate from coming towards Scorpio? One card for that. Eight of A. This person feels stuck and helpless. They have some other issues going on. Majorly, they are overthinking. It's not like someone has captivated them or someone is really thrown them in some cave or something. Nothing like that. This is totally self-sabotaged. Okay, this person is an overthinker who's possibly been caught up in their own negative thoughts. Right now they feel stuck and helpless. Right now they do not feel like they can come towards you. Okay, so their own negative self-belief has stopping them or been stopping them. Okay, they are thinking too much. They feel like they can't help the situation in any which way, not at this time. Okay, so basically a non-practical stuff is hitting them. That is entirely their mind is fucking up with them. Okay, so in terms of their feelings towards you now, one card for their feelings towards you. Scorpio soulmates feelings towards Scorpio spirit. One card for Scorpio soulmates true feelings towards Scorpio. This person definitely has air and water in their chart. Okay, card for their feelings towards Scorpio. Seven of Air. This person is hiding their feelings. Okay, this person is resisting the temptation that they have for you. This person definitely is running away from their feelings. Okay, Seven of Air is a card where someone is basically not wanting to face their true self. Okay, give me a one. Yeah, with Two of Water, right now there's major imbalance going on. This person feels like you guys are not connected like before. They feel a detachment. Okay, Two of Cups fell in the reverse, which is a card where someone feels detached. Someone feels like you guys are not connected like you used to be. With Seven of Air, they are not wanting to face the truth. They are wanting to run away from the truth, and that's the problem. Okay, so the detachment, instead of fixing that, they are getting affected by it. Okay, so that's something. So one card for their intentions towards you now. One card for their intentions towards you. Scorpio soulmates intentions towards Scorpio. One card for Scorpio soulmates intentions towards Scorpio. Scorpio soulmates true intentions towards Scorpio. Don't get me wrong, this person actually wants to get married with you or wants to get into a proper long term commitment. If they feel like you are not taking them seriously, darling, honestly, I feel they will run away. If they ever feel like you will leave them or you will reject them someday, this person will run away. They are not wanting to face rejection. They are not wanting to face problems. They are not wanting to face issues in this connection. They want a very easy connection, a very smooth connection. No connection is smooth. If someone wants a smooth connection, they better move to planet Mars or something. I do not know, man. I mean, this is something. I do feel this person has had intentions of getting married with you or wanting a committed relationship with you. If you can't give them commitment, this person will not come forward. Okay, if you are wanting a very casual relationship or you are wanting a relationship, or basically like you are wanting to go with the flow, this person is not the person for you. This person wants a commitment. This person wants a promise. If you can't promise them that, I don't see this person coming forward, to be honest. Okay, so one card for how are they wanting to act on it. How are they wanting to act on it? One card for how is the Scorpio soulmate possibly wanting to act on it. How is the Scorpio soulmate possibly wanting to act on it? Some of you like could be connecting with the Taurus as well. With the Lovers card, they definitely want to choose you, but I do feel on some which level that if there is a third party, if you have someone else, and if they know about it, they will run away from you. They will not possibly wait for you to choose them, or something like that. I do feel this person is not ready for a very turbulent connection or of a third party. If you ever tell them about a third party in your life, or if you're considering someone else, or you have options, this person will not take that in a good manner. Even if you are flirting and just joking about it, he or she won't like it. Okay, with Seven of Water, they feel you have options, and that's the reason why you are not taking them seriously. Okay, with the Lovers card, they do want to choose you. They do want something committed with you. Feelings are definitely there, but at the current moment they are feeling detached. They don't feel the same sort of bond you guys once shared. I do not know what's the issue. Okay, so one card for where is this connection possibly moving forward. Where is this connection possibly moving forward? One card for where is this connection possibly moving forward. This reading could go vice versa. This might be the other person doing this and you are facing it, so take it accordingly. One card for where this connection is possibly moving forward. With Page of Fire, you guys will definitely communicate. You guys will definitely reconnect. Okay, with Four of Fire, this for some of you is a twin flame connection. Okay, with King of Water, the love is there, the passion is there, the feelings are there, but the fear, the insecurity, the past issues have been a problem. Okay, so what do they possibly want from you now? What do they possibly want from you? What do they possibly want from Scorpio? What do they possibly want from Scorpio now? With the Magician, they definitely want you to manifest them, to basically take them seriously, to basically take action towards them. They basically want you to do the work. That's what I see. Okay, for some of you, not for all, it could be that either you or them are married and you guys cannot commit. A third party could be a blockage for some of you. Okay, either you're married or they are married, but I do feel someone is not being able to let go of the third party in order to move towards you. So third party could be an issue. Okay, so if that's a possibility, please do consider that. Okay, top card we have here is Nine of Earth. So someone wants the other person to take them seriously. Okay, if you have been behaving very casual, someone wants more seriousness in this connection. Okay, with Five of Air, they do not want to play games. They want something something real, something long term. With Ten of Water, this person is looking forward for something long term. Okay, so let's take secret messages from your person. Secret messages from Scorpion soulmate to Scorpio. What do they telepathically want to say to Scorpio now? What do they telepathically want to say to Scorpio now? Our connection is so beautiful, but it is equally scary and confusing. Okay, so that's something. My handwriting sucks, but whatever. Our connection is so beautiful, but it's equally scary and confusing. That's one card. Give me one more card that they want to say to Scorpio now. I fear rejection. This has been coming on for the past 3 months. I fear rejection. You leave me breathless without words. You leave me breathless without words. So they could be loving the way you look and the way you carry yourself. They could find you very attractive. Where do we go from here? That's the last message. Where do we go from here? Okay, so they are worried about the future. Okay, they know that you are the one for them. They want you to take them seriously. They do not want casual connection. They want a exclusive connection. They want you to consider them the one. If it's not that, then I believe someone is married. The third party is causing problems. Someone is not completely being able to let go of the third party in order to come forward towards you. So yes, this was your reading for the sign of Scorpio for the month of August. If you resonated, please do consider hitting the like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you are on Instagram, come follow me on Divine Soul Guidance. I post a lot of good stuff there. All those who are wanting a personal reading with me, please possibly visit my website down in the description section, and you could book one. So yeah, thank you so much for coming in, and see you guys soon. I hope you guys have a fun month ahead. Cheers.